welcome back to Fancy Friday with Kat, and I've decided that this month I'm going to be starting a new series which is called Scarp-less, and each week I'm going to be posting a new video with new ideas of what to do with your scraps. This week I'm actually going to be starting off the series with making a DIY headband. So let's jump right into it. So you're going to start by printing out this pattern from the internet, which I will link down in the description.
Now cut your pattern out. Then you want to fold your fabric in half and place and pin the pattern on the fold. After you cut out your two pieces of fabric, unpin it and repeat the process again. In the end, you should have 4 pieces of fabric. Then take the 2 skinny pieces and put them pretty to pretty side. And when you're putting the fatter pieces pretty to pretty side, make sure that they have the rounded edges on top. Then pin it all in place. And make sure you only sew the long sides and not the tops. Now that you sewed both sides, it should look something like this, and now you can turn it inside out. So this is what it should look like, and now let's move on to the elastic bands.
We're going to take these 2 ones and pin them together like so.
Now, like in the last one, we are only going to sew the long sides. And now we can also turn this one inside out. Now for the next part, you're going to need a ruler, a 6-inch elastic, your fabric, and a safety pin. Now attach your safety pin to your elastic and put it through your fabric. And then I'm just going to be using my sewing machine to attach the elastic. And do the same on the other side. After you cut off all of your threads, you are going to be folding in the edges a little bit and then taking the elastic part and pushing it inside of the tube.
And then we're going to sew here.
And then just repeat the same thing on the other side. Fold the edges a little bit and put the elastic part inside of the tube, and then secure it all in place by sewing.
So this is how it looks like, and now we're just going to cut off the threads to make it look cute. And there you have your finished, beautiful, checkered headband.